Hi guys, so let's look at this question. So this question is a mixture of averages and ratios and with respect to ages as well. Let's look at this question. It says in 2005, the ratio of A's age to B's age is 5 is to 2 and the ratio of C's age to A's age is 9 is to 10. So if you observe, you are given A is to B and C is to A. Right now here A is 5 parts and here A is 10 parts. For us to merge two ratios, we need to ensure that the repeated term should be numerically same. So if I need to make repeated term should be numerically same, I'm multiplying this ratio with 2 on both the sides. So I can directly write that the ratio of or the age of A is 10x. Similarly, age of B will be 4x, that is 5 is to 2. And age of C will be 9x, that is 10 is to 9 or 9 is to 10. Right? It is known that the sum of the ages of A and D was a prime number. Now, A and D, okay, was a prime number, which means at that specific year only. Okay, so I know that there's somebody called D, let's say that is Y. And therefore, I know one thing for sure that you have 10x plus Y is a prime number. Now the question says 5 years later. Now 5 years later, A's age would be 10x plus 5. Clear? This age would be 4x plus 5. C's age would be 9x plus 5 and D's age would be y plus 5. Clear? The average of ABCD was 50. Now average is nothing but sum total in is nothing but average into number of terms. So sum total of these terms is equal to 50 into 4. So what do we get here? We get 23x plus y is equal to 180 from here. Clear? Now, what do we have? We have that assume all the ages mentioned are in natural numbers and the age of A is more than the age of B. Okay, which means I know that 10x is greater than y. Fair enough. If 10x is greater than y, now how do we solve this? Since all the numbers are natural numbers, now this is where we need to be very quick in calculations. So let's see, we have 23x plus y is equal to 180. Now let's start assuming the values of x and parallelly we will get the values of y as well. Now here we need quick calculation because if I take x is equal to 1, this is 23 only and the value of y is in some hundreds. Okay, that's going to be 157. Now since 10x is greater than y, let's quickly keep on jumping numbers. Suppose I take the value of x is equal to 5. Now 5 becomes 23 into 5 is 115 and this is 65. Now, even if x is equal to 5, 10x will be 50 and y is 65. So that will not satisfy our second condition. So let's take x is equal to 6. If I take x is equal to 6, then this becomes 23 into 6 is 20 into 6 is 120. So this is 138. If this is 138, then what do I have? Then we have this as 2. We have 42 as the value of this. Now, if x is equal to 6, so 10x will be 60 and y will be 42. So we are satisfying the condition 60 is greater than 42. Second condition. So this is my first condition to satisfy. This is my second condition to satisfy. And this is our third condition to satisfy. Now 60 plus 42, I repeat 10x plus y should be a prime number. Now 60 plus 42 is giving me 102. Now 102 is an even number. No even number is a prime number except 2. So this case is not acceptable. Now let's take x is equal to 7. If I take x is equal to 7, 23 into 7 is 151 and y becomes 19, which means 10x will be 70 and y will be 19. We are satisfying the condition called 70 is greater than 19 and 70 plus 19 is 89 and yes, 89 is a prime number. If we take the value of x is equal to 8, 23 into 8 is 160 plus 24. That is 184, which will not satisfy because the value of y will be in negatives. Clear, guys? So we have only one possibility where x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 19. Now, this is the condition that we have satisfied. Clear? Now, what is the question asking you? The question is asking you find the ages, the sum of the ages of B and D in 2015. Now, B's age in 2005 was 4x. So, can I say in 2015, B would be nothing but 4x plus 10? That is 4 into 7 is 28. 28 plus 10. So B would be nothing but 38. And in 2005, D's age was Y. So in 2015, D's age would be Y plus 10. Clear? Which is 19 plus 10, and that is going to be 29. So 38 plus 29, the sum of these two values will be 67, and that is going to be your final answer. So very beautiful question, which involves a lot of concepts to be applied, including calculations as well. So I think somewhere around 120 to 150 seconds should be a very perfect way to look at this question altogether. Clear? So I hope you have been able to convert this perfectly, and I hope you also found this video helpful. Thank you, guys.